Welcome back. Let's do question 312. Consider the sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Determine the nth term of the sequence. So how do you find Tn of a linear sequence? We can start with the general equation. Tn is equal to, then you can say Pn plus Q, where this Pn is what? The coefficient of n there is the constant difference. So our constant difference is what? Is 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 11, 3. 17 minus 14, 3, like that. So our constant difference is 3. So we say Tn is equal to 3n plus q. Now we can use any term of the sequence. Maybe let's choose term 1, which is 5. So we say 5 is equal to 3, and then it's term 1. So where there's n, we put 1, then plus q. Then 5 minus 3 is equal to q. Q is equal to 2. Right, therefore, Tn is equal to 3n plus 2. Let's say we chose even term number 5, which is 17. We're going to get the same answer. 17 is equal to 3, 5 plus q. Then 17 is equal to 15 plus q. 17 minus 15 is equal to q. Q is equal to 2. And then we're going to get that general term there.